right, Wally here. So back there is the Willie Mays Scotch house. And we're going to go in there and get some chicken. But right now it's like 10:15, 10:20, and they're open at 11. So here at the corner of Tonty and St. Anne. And that's the Willie Mays Scotch house. The restaurant looks like an old house in a residential area that's been added onto over the years. The banner there has their new location, and they also have a refrigerator placed outside on the street. Inside the first room of the house is where we sat down, and you can see it's the Willie Mays Scotch house. So here's the menu. It's mainly fried chicken because that's what they're famous for, and it's really good. Mark Weins did an entire episode on the Willie Mays fried chicken. We ordered the wet battered fried chicken, which is crispy on the outside, really juicy on the inside. We also ordered the red beans and rice, which was very famous at Willie Mays Scotch house. I also washed down with a glass of unsweetened iced tea. That's the chicken. Take a piece of this breast. There you go. All right. Holy smokes, that's good. That's so juicy. Wow. This chicken is so good.
I tried to tell him we don't play no games with nothing around. He ain't want to believe me, but now he'll believe me, you heard me? He'll believe me.
Thanks so much. The steam coming off this. Oh my God, this is good. This chicken is unbelievable. You've got to come and try this. Look at it, it's really juicy. It's emitting moisture. This is the red beans and rice. It's good, but this chicken, absolutely amazing. All right, so I like their chicken so much. I ordered a second helping. It is so good. Gotta get some utensils now. All right, we'll eat this. So we're trying our second helping of the chicken. This is really, really good. So I'm gonna cut into it here. All right. I'm gonna eat this. It's juicy, it's flavorful. They've infused something in the meat, it's marinated, it's really good. It's really strong chicken flavor, wonderfully crisp skin, really plump. Oh, it's really, really good. You have to come here and eat this. There's a slight bit of spice to this chicken too, but it is really good, really, really good. Have another bite. There we go. Oh my God, this chicken is good.
You see, he thought they was gonna be something better than this. Yeah, I tried to tell him.
It's really good.
He didn't want him. But he know now. I made him a believe. And when they go over here, we will let us.
Oh, really? It's like the Colonel's secret recipe?
Yeah, no, it's actually, three people that know how to make it.
No way.
The owner.
Yeah. Yeah.
And her sister.
Oh my God.
And as you've noticed, I ordered an extra order of fried chicken. It was that good. I highly recommend you come to Willie Mays Scotch House. It's truly amazing chicken.
So this is when you come late. They have a huge lineup. The chicken here is absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend you come.